Hi everybody, I got my modern quilters box again. It's looking a little battered around the edges. Must have had a nice Christmas somewhere in the post office land. And here we go. Ooh, some interesting looking fabrics. Okay, this time I'm going to read the card. What's inside your December box? This month's fabric is After the Rain by Buku for Anna Marie's Conservatory. Let's have a look at the fabric, shall we? Oh, lovely butterflies. Okay. I love Anna-Maria Horner and the Conservatory fabrics. And these birds, I have had my eye on these birds for ages, so I'm so glad I've got some. That is stunning, 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 stunning. What other bits? Really dark green with varying plant images and flowers on it. Some more of those beautiful butterflies and some lovely pinks and purples. Ooh, some more of the botanical prints in the purple. That is nice. A deep mustard. I don't call that an orange, so that's okay in my books, and it goes beautifully with this teal birds, doesn't it? So that's lovely. And gosh, there's more. Sort of a geometric-y sort of print. That's lovely. Some more leaf, again in the purple with some of the navy colours. That's really lovely. And oh, some more birdies, lovely. Oh, with pink. Excellent, excellent. That looks fantastic. and a lint ball that kind of melted a little bit in our Australian summer. Might not eat that one, which is a pity. Oh, and there's little bits of lint ball everywhere. What else have we got here? Oh, something with some chocolate on it. Have to go back to here. There's sort of little rubbery pads. No slip grip dots. These clear dots are wonderful. Put them on any ruler that tends to slide around. So that's fantastic. They're always handy actually. I've got a few non-creative grids rulers that do slip around a little bit. So I might be adding those to the backs of them. And oh, a sticker for the month. The things that you are passionate about are not random. They are your calling by Rochelle Hollick. That's a lovely one. And oh, our sampler box for the month is a interesting one with just some squares or flying geese in the middle of some low volumes. I'm loving low volumes at the moment. I've got actually a project behind me that planned with some low volumes. I'm really looking forward to that. And the pattern this month is from Lo and Behold Stitchery called Vintage Lace. That's really pretty and goes well with these fabrics. These fabrics are just so saturated and amazing with some low volumes in the background. Would look stunning, absolutely stunning. And oh, got a tea. Forgot my tea. Christmas morning tea. Cool. Well, that was our December Modern Quilters box. Fabulous fabrics as usual. Absolutely loving that. Great pattern. Useful little notion. Pity about the chocolate, but oh well. I probably had enough chocolate over Christmas. We'll see you next month. Take care.